just start with by saying Om Namah Shivaya, because that is something my mother has taught both the sisters, me and my sister Mitali. So when I went to Big Boss house, I was not prepared. I just, just it was a very impromptu decision by my family, not even by me, to just go to a platform like Big Boss. And I used to like shiver, at times when people are like fighting, because I am somebody in life who's very straightforward, and I am not at all into manipulations or shouting. So my mom said ki kuch bhi ho, so just say Jai Guruji or just say Om Namah Shivaya. And I was so happy. I really feel it was a blessing from God, because I think after about staying for about 1 month, I was really feeling कि oh my God, ये घर पे सब या तो mental है या फिर they don't know how to have a conversation, how to have a normal conversation, and there enters Aura. एंड आई कांट इवन टेल यू, जब वो आया घर के अंदर, मैं उसको देख के इतनी खुश थी, बिकॉज आई थिंक घर पे उसको कोई जानता नहीं था इतना, बट मुझे आता, बिकॉज उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे आई वॉज वर्किंग विद सारेगामा वेरी क्लोजली, एंड मैंने ये रचना को भी बात नहीं पता, बट उस टाइम पे मैंने उसका गाना जिमी जिमी सुना था. आई वाज लाइक ओह इट्स दैट जिमी जिमी बॉय, एंड देन all of a sudden there was this Big Boss is like Manara जानती है इसको, so I introduced him, and उसके बाद हम 4-4 घंटे वहाँ पे बातें करते थे, और लोग मुझे ताना मारते थे कि तू इससे बात क्या करती है, and I was like मैं जो भी बात करती हूँ मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है उससे बात करके. एंड the clip which you just saw, मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मुझे यही आज रचना ने बताया. तो हम वहाँ पे बाहर बैठे थे, और मैंने पूरे बालों में तेल वेल लगाया था, एंड Aura enters, and we just like made like a little group, and we were like, let's do Aura Om chanting. तो थोड़ा सा मुझे याद है, एंड वो तो ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, तो वो तो क्या था, ओह या लेट्स डू इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ आवर फ्रेंडशिप वाज लाइक ग्रोइंग. And he is one of the few people जिसको मैं घर के बाहर आके भी, we are always in touch, like Rachna and Aura, they are like family. Like वो मेरी मम्मा को मम्मा बोलता है, he's like कि मेरे को तेरे घर आना है, whatever it is, we are there for each other. And I think the most beautiful thing about him, as Sir also said, is simplicity. I think if you're simple now, the world connects with you. You might take some time to be reach where you want to reach in life, but the world connects with you and people follow your journey, and Aura's journey is something like that. I'm so happy 3 साल, और वो इतना अमेजिंग काम कर रहा है, इतने अमेजिंग आउटफिट्स पहन रहा है, और मुझे शिवा शिवा पार्ट 2 इन कोरिया, यू टेक मी, ओके, वी आर गोइंग. Rachna, book the ticket, okay? And thank you, Rachna, for making me a part of your family. Oh, I need to. Okay. I like gifts. Okay, gifts de do. Thank you, Aura. Thank you for having me here. Thank you, Rachna.
Okay, just for the world to know, in the world of music now, all artists, everybody, I hope this message reaches out to all the youngsters and all the people who are making music, कि अब एक ऐसा दौर आ गया है जिसमें हर आर्टिस्ट को अपना एक खुद का यूनिवर्स क्रिएट करना होगा. उसको खुद अपने आप पर मेहनत करनी होगी, खुद अपना ब्रांड बनाना होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी आपको सपोर्ट करने नहीं आएगा. It's going to be very rare. So you have to create your own journey, your own universe, and people, audience makes you or breaks you. The love of people is what will make you a superstar, and I'm sure that Aura will create magic, and so will all the youngsters who are ready to embark on the journey of music. Please create your own universe and succeed. Thank you.
Merging the spiritual Indian spiritual songs with the beats, and you have released this at the right time. Yeah, so very big hand for him. Wishing you all the best. It's really good.
महाशिवरात्रि
तो थैंक यू टू द एंटायर टीम फॉर मेकिंग.
को तो सबसे ज्यादा थैंक देना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि भगवान को याद, शिव जी को याद करा दिया. मेरे साथ 3 बार, हाँ, पहले मैं, उसके बाद आप, के बाद सब. हर हर महादेव,
हर हर महादेव,
हर हर महादेव.
हर हर महादेव, हर हर
कानपुर
महादेव।
घूमने का जरूरत नहीं
3
है।
बार हो गए।
जो एक गाना नहीं है दीदी,
मैं 3
ये भजन है। जो भी भजन है आपके साथ हमेशा रहे, मेरा दिल से, मेरा नहीं, भारत के जितना भी किन्नर समाज के किन्नर माँ है, अर्धनारेश्वर है, सबकी तरफ से आपको, आपका पूरा टीम को, आप जितना भी है हिंदुस्तानी, सबको ढेर सारे आशीर्वाद और प्यार। थैंक यू।
Me here. And Aurora, you are fabulous. I can just say that you are so fabulous. You know, I honestly have not seen your work. I'll be very honest about it. But what I saw today has really moved me. And what you have done today has really, I mean, given me goosebumps today. You know, the way you performed, the way you sang. I felt as if you were one of us, right? So I'm so happy that you've done this, and I'm sure this is going to be a very very big hit because it really moved me. The entire performance really moved me. Wish you all the best.
And dance and everything is done really well. Congratulations. And this is gonna be a hit, I'm telling you, huh? People will love this song because personally, I personally listen Shiv Sodram and I'm trying to learn it as well, but it's really difficult and you have done amazing job. Trust me. So we are very proud of you and we loved it.
मेरा नाम फ्राइडे है। मैं साउथ कोरिया से हूँ। मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ। We've sent
when his entire destiny is going to be rewritten, it's going to make a big impact globally. Mark my words, this song has touched me and it's going to go a big global hit. God bless you. God bless you. Tremendous, tremendous baseline, tremendous arrangement and programming. Brother? Hi. Bhai, son, beta, my son is as old as you, I'm sure. You're going to rock it, and this is it for you, okay? Are you ready to become the global star? Ready. Yeah? Okay.
Thank you so much.
मैं ऑडियो सुना हूँ, वीडियो देखा नहीं हूँ, बट ऑडियो अमेजिंग है। आइलैंड मास्टर ट्रैक बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। फ्राइडे हम लोग रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे, तो सर को पता है स्टूडियो में इतना मज़ा आता है, बट हर इंडियन प्रोनाउंस करता है आ उ ई ए सब प्रोनाउंस। जटाटवी गरज्जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले। अभी मज़ा का आ रहा था कि जो मैं गा रहा था, जो मैं कर रहा था, प्रॉपरली इमिटेड विदिन अ 5 सेकंड ही कर रहा था। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं हुआ, जटाटवी गलत जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले। वंस अगेन, जटाटवी गलत जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले। रिप्लिकेट। सो बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा हुआ। सेकंड में बहुत एंजॉय किया। बाकी रिजल्ट आपने सुना है, आपने देखा है। Thank you so much. Thank you.
I think I've loved this song. I won't say a song, I'm sorry, we are so Bollywood driven that we call everything a song. But of course it's beautiful. All your efforts, Rachna's efforts, everybody's efforts are visible on the screen. And I was just telling Rohit sometime back outside that I'm introducing Rachna as Aura's mother. So when you speak to Rachna, it's only she talks about Aura, and her efforts are apparent here today. Rachna, hats off to you. And Aura, your hard work is.
And we made sure that his diction was not something that people would get offended, because as a foreigner, when you are singing something like this, you have to be very careful not to offend anyone. So it was very important for us to learn properly, rehearse, and make sure that what he's singing is not offending anyone, because that was never the intention. He's learning, maybe there were some imperfections, but Sir really made sure that he could deliver his best.
And it's great to see such an international artist
approaching Indian spirituality with so much respect, effort, sincerity. It shows how music goes beyond language and culture. And I hope one day we get.
महादेव का शिव जी का क्या बात है, एक नंबर, बहुत सही,
बहुत बढ़िया भाई।
वाह, हर हर महादेव। ये विजुअल अच्छा हो गया भाई।
थैंक यू सो मच। मैं ओरा को काफ़ी टाइम से जानता हूँ। सबसे पहले हमने हमारी ब्रांड के कोरियन प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए थे, तब उसने बहुत सारा हेल्प किया था और हमने एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी किया था। लेकिन लास्ट एक वीक हुआ रहेगा, हमने एक समूह लगन किया था, वहाँ पे 45 गर्ल्स की शादी हुई थी। ये वहाँ पे आया था और वहाँ पे जो इसने गाना गाया था, तो हमारे समाज में गुजराती लोग हैं, हम लोग वेडिंग बोले तो एकदम धमाल होती है, आपको पता रहेगा। लेकिन इसके आने से उधर शिव तांडव इसने गाया, तो कोई मान ही नहीं सकता। ये सब इसको सॉन्ग बोल रहे हैं, गाना बोल रहा है। मेरे हिसाब से सॉन्ग गाना नहीं है, तो शिव की स्तुति है, भजन है। कि शिव को जैसे अपन आराधना करते हैं, स्तुति है भाई, कोई गाना नहीं है। तो शिव की इतनी कृपा इसके ऊपर होने वाली है कि इसका गाना तो बहुत चलने वाला है। तो मैं मैडम को बोलता हूँ ये सॉन्ग के लिए कुछ भी आपको इसके लिए सपोर्ट कुछ भी चाहिए हमारे जैसा, तो हम कभी की आपके लिए तैयार है। थैंक यू सो मच।
He's just learning now some life also, some style also, and then some more learning. Some now today I came to India 3 years.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 years ago we landed in. I'm landed in India February 10, 3 years ago. Yeah. So just now more learning some language also, life also, some mentality also, some walking also. So now also, tomorrow also, after 1 week also, I'm learning. So please help me. Thank you.
That was so sweet, and I only wish you learn and you grow, and so does your stardom grow to no limits. And actually, सब बात करते हैं, K-pop culture की इंडिया में कितना influenced है. But it is so great to have him here and represent our culture to the Korean people and promote it in Korea, and that too with such a beautiful song. It's not easy to dance on Shiv Tandav, to perform it, to sing it from his heart, and I think only someone with a beautiful soul can do that. So it's not ever one person who makes it happen. There is an entire team that goes behind, and yes, first person I think who deserves all the credit will be Rachna Puri. Please, Rachna, come here. It's actually her who's both of them twining in purple, but it's them together as a team who've made this into a reality, and I'm sure she's gonna achieve.
Acting schedule sometimes when I get stuck in a scene, I find difficulty. Shiv Stotram helps me out. I'm in the gym, I'm getting stuck. Shiv Stotram helps me out. In life, I think this is something which is a very strong guiding power for me, and seeing that a very different edition, because when Parul mentioned. I obviously had a break in my shoot schedule, and I was like, this is something I'm not going to miss. And I was very excited to see how Aura brings this about, and I think this is more than awesome, more than awesome. So I really love the rendition. One point I want to mention very specifically is I appreciate the focus on details that you've done. So I think because it's obviously very close to our culture in India, how it is critical to how you followed not only during the dance, the costume, as well as the rendition which Masters you.
Most precious thing in this world. All of you have taken the time out. That's the best gift for us. It's taken a lot of time, especially in Bombay. 5 minutes bhi kisi ko dena is very precious. So thank you to every one of you for coming here and supporting us. I'm going to ask Aura to now sing the song, and we'll officially release the audio of this. This is not just a song, it's a prayer, and we really hope that it reaches out to everyone's heart. If there is any mistake, please forgive us. Please sing the song.
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Now singing song?
Yeah.
Oh, good. With music or just singing?
Yes.
But literally, I have. This was a dream that Rachna shared with me 4 years back. She said, one day I want to make this song. And I was like, हाँ बनाएंगे रचना, like it'll happen, of course, whatever she has thought till date has been done. And when she got in touch with Aura, something magical happened, like, and she was so invested, and she saw something that I don't think anyone apart from her saw in him. And I think that was the honesty, integrity, and that purity of soul. कहते हैं ना, internally if you're a nice person, externally वो reflect होता है, and people with similar energies always connect and find a way to be there for each other. And that is why both of them are together. And seeing him in this song, sing this song, is like makes my heart full. I literally had goosebumps, and Aura, the video is stunning. It's par excellence. You're looking amazing. You're doing a fab job, and I love you. Thank you.
तो मैं शुरुआत करूंगी सबके साथ, हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे हर हर महादेव। तो इट वाज अमेजिंग, मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि एक कोरियन, हमारी दुनिया, हमारी पूरी जेंजी कोरियन पॉप के पॉप के पीछे पागल हो रही है, और हमारे पास साक्षात एक कोरियन है जो हमारे शिव जी के लिए, शिव भक्त निकले हमारे शिव जी के लिए। इतना प्यारा, इतना इतना अमेजिंग, मतलब ब्रेथ टेकिंग सॉन्ग जो है बना दिया है, और तांडव खुद डांस कर रहे हैं, खुद तांडव कर रहे हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि ये गलती से कोरिया में पैदा हो गया, ये पीछे से आत्मा कहीं हमारे बनारस की या ऋषिकेश की कहीं की आत्मा है ये। सो इट वाज टू गुड मैन, टू गुड लवली। तो प्लीज देखिए, प्लीज डू वॉच इट, सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा। मैं तो बहुत बड़ी शिव भक्त हूँ, तो मुझे तो यकीन बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगा है, तो आप लोगों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगा। एंड ऑल्सो आई वांट टू टॉक टू द प्रोड्यूसर। So he's Abhay Purpani, and he's the owner of a lounge in Malad called Glass House. Glass House. And sometimes हम वहाँ जाते हैं, हम वहाँ chill करते हैं, और अचानक से I want to ask him now, मतलब ये कहाँ से thought आया अचानक से, from being a lounge owner to producer, song producer, वो भी सीधा महादेव।
Like I said, you said we are very much inspired with Korean cultures, Indians, we Indians. So when I got the concept of this song from Rachna, that a Korean singer is gonna sing a song on Shiva in Hindi and Sanskrit, Sanskrit and English.
Yeah.
So I was, wow, this is what inspired me to be a producer of this song. Thank you, Ara, for this wonderful song.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
We go to Glass House.
Yeah,
We go to Glass House.
We go to Glass.
Party.
No
Party.
party.
Actually, launch should be there only. The launch event should be
You
there.
went to go Glass House.
कोरिया के एक आर्टिस्ट ने पहली बार यहाँ पे आके हमारे कल्चर में इमर्स किया है, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कोलैबोरेशन जो हुआ है, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द फैक्ट दैट माय फ्रेंड Abhay is a part of this beautiful song, and he made me come here and watch the teaser, and honestly I just can't wait to see the whole song, because it just gave me goosebumps while watching it, because when I saw, and the whole thing, the way it has shot, everything just made me feel so excited about it. So I just can't wait to see the entire song, and much love to Aura and the entire team of this song. Har Har Mahadev. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks.
First of all, congratulations. I think Jai Mahakal, Jai Shivji, I listen to it daily, so this is something that I don't miss this. I have my fast version and the slow version. And Shiv Stotram obviously is a hymn which talks about surrender. So I think that's something which is the essence, where you let go of your ego, you let go of your false visions, and look at total surrender to God. So I really follow it with passion, and I'm very happy that you sang this, and this is something I look forward to. So congratulations on this. This is really special, and when Parul mentioned about this one, I didn't want to miss this. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This talks about mixing culture, but you have finally done it with, I guess, Kimchi Dosa and now Shiv Shiva.
Right.
So it's amazing, and I'm looking forward for the screening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, we all know what influence K-pop has on the world itself. So it's extremely nice to see a Korean artist cover and perform and remake by sprinkling a hint of his style and remaking the very stotra, Shiv Stotra, which has a place in our hearts, special place in our hearts. So that's what this song feels.
Yeah. God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
And we really look forward to your other projects
Yes.
in future. Yeah.
Of course. Shiva Shivam.